Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And this is the intraday video after the live stream, a long live stream we had today during the price action of Bitcoin. And we saw, of course, this break down from the first triangle, which is where we have double triangles here, which is a little bit frustrating. And yeah, we saw a first break down. Now, currently, we are watching the second breakdown. During the live stream, we estimated at least a retracement and that we might be finishing here an A, B, C, D, and an E, but it is still to be watched, guys. So basically, if you have a 1, 2 here, you would like to see continuation towards the upside. However, internally, it doesn't look for me very impulsive. Meaning, yeah, I'm gonna move 5 minute a little bit chart, but currently you have 1, 2, 3. If you have a wave 4, you would not like to see, of course, invalidation inside, of course, the internal here of this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You would like to see, of course, continuation simply toward the upside. And basically, we have to watch those price, of course, invalidation of a triangle in a bearish scenario would be given, of course, by passing the 92K 900. And this, of course, will invalidate this triangle and will transform it to something as corrective as bigger correction here that it might be unfolding. And what I mean with this is it can be also bearish, nobody knows, but basically it looks like more like a much more complex structure. So what I'm seeing here, if this is a triangle as well, it can be representing a wave W. It can be sometimes a wave A, but rare case scenario. But if it is a W, it can be, of course, looking for an X and for a Y, meaning still looking in all case scenario for lower. We are looking at a general structure to be something like this, right? To be read as a three-way structure. And in this case scenario, for now, if you want to read this, for example, as W, you have an X potentially as a triangle. You have a Y toward the downside. This is my highest possible scenario here, guys, that we are looking at this W, X, and a Y. And in this case scenario, you might see, of course, some move toward the downside for a wave Y. It can be a zigzag because we're moving impulsively, as we can see. So we're gonna see, of course, what is the formation of this scenario, but higher potential if we take, of course, invalidation of triangle, therefore we move bearish. Let's talk bullish. In case we are in 1, 2 here, which is currently low possibility, you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Confirmation for higher is breaking this high of the wave D. Once you take the high of a wave D, meaning, of course, you finish this triangle as A, B, C, D, E, and you're moving for higher. Next target to be watched, I know it is a very short target, but it is the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the A. Let me show it, all of it, from the A to the B to the C. Yeah, very simply taking one more high, which is after very long sideways, which I doubt it, because after a very long sideways correction, you would like to see a break out, right? Like a very, very massive one. But nobody knows. It might be very short, which you call a fake out, right? Normally a fake out you call it, and then moving toward the downside. But actually, well, this is what who's outside Elliott wave doesn't know what is going on. He will call it just fake out. But actually it is the 1-to-1 fib level, finished ABC and moving toward the downside. Right? So these are the possibilities, guys. And yeah, this is bullish. Anyway, if we see an overshooting wave toward the upside over the 1-to-1 fib level, possibilities shift to W, X, Y, X, and a Z. Yeah, very simple. There is no impulse in this shape, by the way. Sideways for the wave 2 and 4. No alternation. Wave 3 did not reach the 1.618. And of course, very long corrections. And that means, of course, it is a big corrective wave. Yeah, so these are the possibilities right now. Levels to be watched for the bullish and the bearish. So yeah, we just break out from one small triangle, guys. Now the next one is to be decided. Whether 92K 900 or 95k 600. Don't forget today to watch the stream that we had, a very long one. We had a lot of altcoins analyzed there, and it is already clipped, so you can find any coin there very easily. And also don't forget to follow on X. We're gonna update, of course, on X much more as well, where we analyze much more micro analysis in a very fast, quick update. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.